Welcome to my daily earnings. Today I'll be talking about how much I earned last month. We are on first day of February 2022. The year is running very fast. You can see first February 2022. So this morning I just woke up this morning and this is 7 a.m. 7:09 a.m. 1st of February 2022. I've already made $14 this morning. You can see for yourself today so far. Everything is there for you to see, my viewers, my subscribers. Yesterday I was able to earn $54. And last month I earned $1,700 and something. I reached $1,700. So I just want to beg you to show you how much I earned last month, for you to know that my earning is increasing. You know, I set a target of earning up to $3,000 every month. You understand? I said a target of earning $3,000 every month. By the end of this year, that's what I want to be earning, $3,000. That is my target. You understand? $3,000 every month. So I believe I'm making some progress. You understand? I'm making a progress. I've reached $1,700 a month in a single month. So maybe by next month, or maybe this month we are in now. I should be able to reach 2,000 from the way it is going, from what I'm seeing. If my earning keep on increasing like this, that means this month we are in now, I'm supposed to reach $2,000 if my apps are not being removed from Play Store, if my Admob account are not being blocked, if my developer account are not being blocked or removed, or any bad thing did not happen to my apps. At least this month I'm supposed to reach up to 2,000 by God's grace on my side. So let us look at the countries that help me to earn like this. You understand? So from here now you can see the trend last month January. So United States came number 1. They are first, always first, and my country is number 2, always number 2. So I earned $731 from US with 56,522 impressions. That was what I earned. Then number 2, I earned 542 from my Nigerian users. Nigeria has higher impression, 149,376. So I earned 542 from Nigeria, then $100, 102 from United Kingdom, then 48 from God. I earned 48 from South Africa, and Canada is number 50. Yes, Canada, I had 4,097 impressions. So I earned 43 from Canada, then followed by Ghana. So you can see the countries that help me to earn. Almost all the countries that use Play Store are here. It's very hard. You look for any country and you did not see that country in my earning. I have users from all countries. India, and from India, Sweden, France, Uganda, almost all the countries. It's very, very hard. You look for your country and you will not see it. Country you will not see is China. You will not see China here. So you can see my total earning here. I earned 1,714.59. That was my last month earning, my general earning. My total impression was 302,309. So this was my total impression, the total number of times as we are displayed to my users. That was my impression, which helped me to earn this amount of money. So my users, my impression, I really love this, my improvement. You understand? Some people were saying they want to earn 5,000 a month, this, that. When a journey of a 1,000 miles begin with a step, I believe everyone see me, or any if you have been following me for some time now, you know that I'm making progress. You know it. I'm making a very big progress, very big one. So my users, I say my users has been helping my life a lot. You understand? They are helping me to be earning massively from Google Admob. And one thing I like about Google Admob is once you reach the payment, they always send you your money. Admob will never delay sending you your money, because they send your money using AdSense. So AdSense will process your money straight inside your account. Sharp, you think reflect. So this is how my earnings have been going so far. You understand? So at least you can see the countries helping to earn. People ask me how many apps I have. I have up to 100 apps on Play Store. 100 apps, more than 100 apps. I have more than 100,000 installs. You understand? So that is helping me to earn. I have many developer accounts. There's one thing I noticed about developer account now. I wanted to purchase a new developer account recently because I like buying more developer account. But Google is now telling us to put our ID. You cannot, if you purchase a developer account now, you cannot publish apps without being verified. But before, you can just pay for the developer account and start publishing, start uploading stuff. But now, if you pay for a developer account, you must be verified before you start publishing apps. So things are becoming more difficult. There are many barriers to enter now to this kind of business, and as time goes on, it will become more difficult. So if you did not start now to start developing apps and be publishing, my brother, my sister, in future you will find it difficult. That's what I'm seeing now. So thanks for watching this my video. Like this my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates on how my earnings are going and how I'm earning like this. Bye.